Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of D.A.M.N. Spencer here with Best Option Restoration. Spencer and his family have been coming to us. We've had the honor and the opportunity to service his family's fleet of vehicles. It's been a great relationship. Spencer is a fantastic guy, and he owns one of the best restoration companies in the Valley. So Spencer, tell us a little bit about your business and what you do.
Thank you, Mitch. Appreciate that. So Best Option Restoration, fire, flood, mold, biohazard cleanup. We're very good at it. We feel like we're giving back to the community, helping the community be safe. Kind of our motto is we're on our way, and we try to do that 24 hours a day.
I love that, especially with the mold out here, man. I moved into our house in Midvale, and we had a home inspection done, right? But there was a big piece of plywood in the garage.
Yeah.
I took that plywood off, and it was just mold all over there. Do you see that quite frequently? People trying to hide mold in their own homes?
So people think, oh, we're in Utah. It's dry. Mold happens when there's, repeated wet drips, and it's just constant wet, and mold thrives out here.
That's a good point, because where the mold was in my old house was right where the washer and dryer connections were. So
Yeah.
is that a common area where you would want people to check out their homes for like sinks, toilets, stuff like that?
Absolutely. So anytime there's a water supply to a toilet, to a washer, to the dishwasher, water heater, check those areas. We recently remediated a broken sprinkler that went into the basement. Water went into the basement.
Wow.
It had been running for weeks.
Gross, man.
That's about what the homeowner said when they called us. But just keep vigilant, checking those areas. Develop a great relationship with a plumber who can help kind of navigate those maintenance areas.
Love it.
Hopefully never, but when the mold happens, then we can help.
How far are you guys traveled to service?
Our furthest away job has been, I can't even remember the name of it. Out in Camas, there's a small town in Camas. But most of what we do is Utah, Salt Lake, Davis County.
Okay.
We do some work in Tooele, do some work in Summit County, Park City area.
Cool.
I think if anyone calls us, we try to find a reason not to say no.
Mm-hmm.
So if we can do it, then we'll do it.
Find a way to serve your community no matter what, huh?
That's right.
I love it. So whenever I interview people, I always give them a lightning round question. This is going to be off the wall. You're on death row. What would be your death row meal?
That's an easy question.
That's great. What is it?
Flank steak,
Uh-huh.
funer potatoes, and a Caesar salad.
I love it. How can people get a hold of you if they need your services?
Our phone number is 801-987-6204. Check us out on social media, Best Option Restoration, SW Salt Lake. We have quite a presence, and we try to post regularly on there.
I love it.
We don't have real estate. Our business is not dependent on real estate. So if our trucks do not run, then we're in trouble. So we appreciate Denny's, man. We're a huge fan of Denny's.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Thank you.